Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is a good hobby because I also prefer this hobby, and the small garden in front of my house is the result of my favorite hobby, gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby. I think it is the best of all the hobbies which one can follow with a lot of amusement and benefit to health. I have laid out a smaller of amusement and benefit to health. I have laid out a small garden in front of my house. When I sit in my smaller garden, a great player, sweet, fragrant flowers of different house sweeten as my mind. It helps me in many ways while working in the garden. Not only do I spend my time in a better way, but also improve my health as thus I spend my time in better way, but also improve my health as thus I take exercise and willingly. It brings me close to nature and I feel lost like Wordsworth in the beauty of blooms and blooms around me. The garden in front of my house is a small, no doubt, but even then I am proud of it because it is the result of my own hard labor. There are small beds of uh, flower in which I grow seasonal flowers. When the plant bear blossoms, I feel a thrill of joy in my mind and take pride in my creative labor. Whenever any of my friends asks me anything about sowing and maintaining of plants, I give him informative with elated feelings. In the other way, surrounded by the beds of flowers in a smaller lawn with soft velvety green grass. I am very fond of this lawn and take pride in maintaining it trimmed, tidy and neat. In the evenings, we sit in this lawn and talk, chat, and discuss several um, and things. I have grown fruit fads along the fringes of the grass lawn. Some of the fruits